Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Install Cerebellum 1. 4 later, then import the Mission class's module. Once done, set your API token and create a project namespace so classes have a scope. Next, scaffold a mission config, name, objective, priority, and save it as mission. YAML. Make sure to run a quick validation command to catch schema errors. This prevents wasted time when you begin instantiating classes. You now instantiate mission classes with the required parameters, pass objective, priority, and resource caps. Then wire dependencies such as components, sensors, and communications interfaces. Using dependency injection where supported, this ensures decoupling and easier testing. After that, implement lifecycle methods in it, execute, tear down, and register them with the mission manager. While coding, run small unit tests, so each class behaves before you combine them into the active mission. You deploy the mission to a staging environment and start the execution monitor to watch state transitions and telemetry. As it runs, tune thresholds and fallback behaviors based on logs. If a sensor fails, your health check should trigger safe degradation. Once objectives complete, call teardown, archive logs, and commit the final mission config to version control. If something goes wrong, check the validation output first. Most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.